Your profile is housed within your school's Greynote account, and the admin can monitor every action you carry out. Depending on the school admin's discretion, your profile can be set to public or private. A public profile can send and receive messages to parents and admins. A private account can only reply to messages sent to them by the school admin. On the Overview tab, the Bursar can switch between classrooms to view the students in each class when they need to carry out actions on individual students. The notification icon keeps the Bursar informed about relevant information and actions within the app. Clicking on an item takes you to where it is located. On the Invoices tab, there is a financial report of invoices processed by the school. There is a button to generate bulk invoices for a class. Invoices are filtered to all invoices by default. Bursars can also search for invoices by student name. The invoices can also be filtered to view a particular category of invoice, whether active, processing, completed, rejected, overpaid, or all invoices. Greynote. School management made easy.